Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the beautiful Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico to explore a stunning private residence, Villa Arrebol. This architectural gem is a perfect blend of luxury, nature, and functionality. Villa Arrebol is more than just a house, it's an experience. The architects sought to create a space that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living, reminiscent of the tranquility found in high-end hotels. The goal was to immerse residents in the natural beauty of the Yucatan while offering the comforts of home. The house's land is uniquely shaped, presenting both challenges and opportunities. The architects embraced the irregularity, designing a layout that maximizes space and natural light. The result is a home that feels spacious and open, despite its compact footprint. At the center of the home lies a beautiful courtyard, a lush oasis filled with tropical plants. This green heart is the focal point of the house, drawing you in and connecting the various living spaces. The courtyard is not only visually appealing, but also plays a crucial role in regulating the indoor climate. The use of materials is a key element in creating the villa's distinctive character. Regional stone, marble, stucco, and chucum plaster combine to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The inclusion of local woods like salem adds a touch of natural elegance. The architects aim to create a home that adapts to the changing needs of its inhabitants. Inspired by the layout of hotels, the villa offers multiple spaces for dining, reading, and relaxing. The use of large windows and sliding doors blurs the lines between indoors and outdoors, allowing residents to enjoy the best of both worlds. Villa Arrebol is more than just a house, it's a retreat. The combination of lush greenery, comfortable spaces, and the gentle sounds of nature creates a truly relaxing environment. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and simply enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Villa Arrebol is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and a deep appreciation for nature. It's a home that invites you to slow down, relax, and connect with your surroundings. What aspects of this villa resonate most with you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring home tours.